All right, this is my assignment for week 12 with my full CRUD application. I had a lot of trouble with this one, honestly, because I didn't really realize what APIs were for the longest time. And I was following along with the notes, and he was using a Heroku app API URL. And I did not realize that I could not use that as well. So it took me a while to understand that like I couldn't use that one. So I had to use a mock API um one because that helps me. That helped me a lot. And then I was also having trouble with and I'm still having trouble with it where I don't really understand this whenever I go into my page and I'm making a new rescue. I can make a new rescue. I cannot delete the rescue and I cannot add animals to that rescue, which is very frustrating. Specifically because I've made another CRUD application and it works perfectly fine and it has most of the same code that I have in here. However, that one works, but this one doesn't. So, um, I think I would have to try it again to see what I'm at, but I will show the screen that I have. Yes. So, I'm going through my network currently, but in my console, it logs that center animals is not irritable, um, iterable, sorry, but it is iterable because I have it as an empty array for this animals. So it makes me think that it's a server issue because of that. Um, but I don't know how to fix the server issue. So that will be a lot of research. But if we go up here, if I go to delete, it doesn't do anything. So I have to go into console and it gives me a status of 404, which is confusing because I'm using the same mock API that I was using for some further projects that are in the future. So really help with some issues there. But for now, um, I did put in about 6 hours of trying to figure out those issues. But we'll go into here. I have my class for my center, my animal, and then my center service with update center, delete center. And then I have my DOM of creating, deleting, adding animals, deleting animals. And then I have my renders. Uh, so that when I make a center, I can make an animal and a species. And then wanted to make another table below that, um, but however, it's not working. So I would really love feedback on that, on that nature, because it's very confusing on how this works, but my other CRUD application, this doesn't work, but my other CRUD application that is